can't wait so we can break apart the
Today we have some different kind of dish. That is why I never tried that one. Okay, I will show you what exactly. Okay, see here. This one is small prawns. I think you can able to see this one, and also some tomato they have put, and just you know what it is exactly hot water only, and they never mix anything. Pure dry prawns, small prawns, and also the tomato and mix with the hot water. Okay, so let me taste this one first.
Have a little
Yes,
bit
I'm
ants.
very eagerly to taste this one. I don't know how it will be taste. No salt also, right?
Yeah, no.
Plain, like a hot water, just they mix. I can feel the prawn smell. I can feel it, and then the taste is also the prawn. It is very soft only, not too much dried because you put in the hot water. It is very tasty. See, and the tomato taste, I can feel it. It's very nice. This is the first time I'm eating this one without any salt or something. I'm very excited to that. This is chicken adobo. Okay, everyone know that one. They mix with soy and chicken, and also some. This kind of pepper is not too much spicy, right? Let me taste this one first. One small piece only. This one I will take. Okay, very tender. And I touch it off. Okay. Here, nicely cooked, very tasty. This one, I will tell you, this is rasam, Indian dish. Okay, just we mix the tomato and cumin powder and fenugreek and also some sambar powder we have mixed in this kind of rasam. It is very tasty, and tamarind water also we have added. See this one like a soup. I will taste. Sour, because rasam mostly it will sour only. I will add here some. Okay, and I will put this one here. This chicken one piece I will take. Later
The
I will.
chili you take.
2 piece. Some here. Okay, and this one I will tell you. This is this is a different one. I will show you exactly inside what it is. I don't want to tell first. See here. It's a noodles. Okay, the noodles, it's been cooked already and mixed with the egg and just fried. That's all. It's a noodle omelette, same like a noodle omelette. See, very tasty and some oily. It's tasty. Okay, I will eat with the rice first. I'll take this one. I will mix some rice. Okay, and some chili. Okay. The chili is not spicy, but when you mix with the rice, the rasam, the sourness, everything mixed together, and the omelette is very tasty. It's very nice and little bit oily also. And I will eat this chicken. See here, it's nicely cooked. See, it's very cooked nicely. Tender, nice. This one. I will mix with this rice, this soy, and I will eat. Very tasty. I like the chicken adobo. The chicken adobo, the rasam, this one is all my favorite. And the rice, everything when I'm mixing with this one and when I'm eating, it's very delicious. See? So first time I'm eating the Indian dish and then Filipino dish mixed together. It's nice. when you mix everything together, the sourness, the soy, and everything. Some person they don't like this, but I like. It's very tasty. Okay guys, I hope everyone liked this video and thanks for watching, and please subscribe our YouTube channel, and our YouTube channel is Twohungry Travelers, and also please follow our Facebook page. Follow and like. Okay guys, thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.